Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Hey, Veezy Kids! Alright guys, we got something happening today with the pigs on this episode. We're gonna turn into the Pied Piper.
And let me give you that.
Not R. Kelly, the other Pied. Don't worry about it. Anyway, we also said once we had 1,000 likes, we're gonna give you guys a tour of the whole farm and show you how big the animals have got. Let's just go in and get it going right now. Welcome. All right, first things first, when we wake up in the morning, the first things we feed in the house are the fish. We got some Oscars, we got some Veezy Kids, we got some parrot cichlids, we got some, wait, these guys over here, convict cichlids.
You know we got babies?
You had a baby?
No, the fish.
Which fish?
Them.
It's back there? Ah, let's go around and see. Oh, I see all the babies. Look at them. I know we probably talked about it on our Instagram, so guys, follow us on Instagram. Our link is right here, somewhere. So we take this frozen shrimp and we hold it over the fan so it blows it, but the fish are getting smarter and they attack it. And when these Oscars come, that's when trouble starts.
Sit up, never like you know it's special packet with them automatics. We gon' set them to heaven. Wait.
All right, guys. The next thing we feed every morning in this house are the tortoises, and we got 4. So what do we give them? We give them some romaine lettuce, and then we got some Missouri tortoise diet, and we throw a couple of those on there.
First one, the smallest.
Aww.
It's a red one. This one's a cherry.
Nice. That's a cherry.
Cherry.
Yeah, that's a redfoot. That's the cherry. And he's shedding a little bit. Looks good. All right, put him in there.
At the Veezy farm, we always have quails being born.
That's right, guys. We hatched about 6, was it 6 out of 10?
6 babies.
6 babies out of 10, and now we had the ones laying some blue eggs. I don't know what they are. Comment down below what you guys think these are.
So many.
So we grabbed these and we restocked the incubator. But let's go see the babies. Come on. Hi, guys. Can't wait to eat them.
No!
This is the last set of quails that we hatched. You see them down there? There's 3 in there, and those are the guys that are making those blue eggs. Anthony, there's a couple more eggs in there.
What?
Grab them, bro.
Okay.
Let's throw them in the incubator with the other ones. The first things we always feed when we're outside is our aquatic turtles. In here, we got a bunch of red-eared sliders. We got a bunch of soft shells in here. How about this, guys? If this video gets 1,000 likes, because you guys are crushing it, you do 1,000 likes like nothing. Like nothing. You guys do 1,000 likes on this video, we're gonna clean out these tanks, we're gonna show you each turtle, and we're gonna make Anthony go out to the canal and catch another one.
Happy, happy, joy, joy.
Next, we're gonna be feeding the koi fish. Now, here's another issue we got going on. We've already done 2 videos where we're fixing this thing. We gotta do a 3rd one, because we found out that the power that's sitting in the pump house is not powering the UV bulbs. So now I got my electrician coming. He's gonna power up the UV bulbs. We might have to dump it out again because, as you see, it got dirty again. I don't mind doing like a koi video every week. People love koi. You guys love kois? All right, Anthony, feed the kois. Next up, guys, we got the big pond. This pond, what the heck is that? I thought that was a fish. I swear to you. Here, fishy, fishy. This is a huge pond. We got a whole bunch of tilapia in here. We got, it's the white tilapia. Anthony, how many turtles do you think are in this pond?
170.
There's about 170 turtles in here, according to Anthony. So we feed these guys every day. Make sure they get their food. All right, he just wanted to run around there to do that.
Next up is my chore, the hogs. So now I'm gonna put the food over it.
Jayla, you've been doing so good. These guys are almost ready for Christmas dinner.
What?
Nothing.
Ketchup!
What the heck are you guys doing? Get back in there! Get in there. This dog is gonna... Bro, what are they doing out? The dog is gonna destroy them. Okay, you cannot eat the ducks. Blake gave us those ducks. Next up are the pigs, who we already said in this video have something huge going on today. So make sure you stay and watch this whole video because something's about to happen with these guys today. Oh, some got on the top. I guess that's for the birds.
Look at the babies. They're so babyish.
Oh, mama. Hi, baby girl. You look so beautiful today. So as you guys see, she's the mom of all these little babies. One of them's the dad of all these little babies, and one of them's like the next door neighbor of one of the babies. But she be kicking it.
Now I get to feed my duck.
Hey guys, we got food. Ow! Oh, it's like a massage, but. Yo, sometimes we give the llamas a little bit of this all stock because it has corn and stuff and it's good for them.
They like corn.
But we like to hit them up here before we go feed them down there. Oh, hi, beautiful. Oh, yes, you. Oh, oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. All right, guys, remember the goat Dashians? We need to start doing more publicity on these goat Dashians. Before, they weren't too friendly. They used to run away from us. But now they're like all over us. They're turning into like some super friendly goats.
Oh, just a little baby. Oh, let me tickle your chin while you eat. I just want to tickle your chins while you eat.
All right, an update on the chickens. We got about 25 of them. We were just looking for them because when they come out at 10 o'clock in the morning, I have an automatic gate opener, they disappear. But I found a few. Look how big they've got. I'm gonna rush them out to you, Ryan. Hey, come here. Are you guys having a party without me? Ow, ow, ow. Oh my God, there's trees. All right, so those are the chickens. That's how big they got. Look at this one. I think that one might be a rooster.
Let me catch it.
Ryan, get it. Oh, he juked you. All right, so what kind of chicken is this?
I don't know. Maybe.
This is the one that lays the brown eggs. He's a good little girl. I want to talk to my chicken. Hold on. All right, listen. We've had you now for a while. When are you going to start laying eggs? You haven't laid any eggs for us yet. You need to start laying eggs, okay? Do me a favor and lay some eggs immediately. We need food, breakfast. What if that thing bit me right in my lip? I'd be so mad. So you guys think that's a rooster?
It's got the thingy on the top and the thingy on the bottom.
We think this one might be a rooster. If it is, we're going to... So that's an update on the chickens. They've gotten so big, but they haven't started laying eggs yet. So we're just waiting for them to like, pluck out a bunch of eggs. Hey. All right, now we're feeding the llamas their actual feeding. This is this good Missouri llama chews. They love it. So I do a little bit in here for the tall one, a little bit in here for the shorter one, and then hey, come with me guys, I'm gonna show you this other one. Then we do one in here in case they want to eat while they're sitting in the fan. So then they eat this, and they got this beautiful fan. Let me just sit here. So for the llamas, we give them one pinch, it's called. It's a pinch of hay, a pinch of that TNA alfalfa good stuff. So what I do is I put the hay here for the llamas, but then I also put some here for the goats because these goats love this hay. Look at them. Look at them all in here. All right, so the next thing we're doing, probably off camera, just so you guys know, we change all the waters for the pigs, the llamas, the chickens, the goats. Everything gets fresh water every morning.
All right, so we are going to be moving all the pigs to that enclosure over there. Lady May and Mango's old enclosure. It's over there, camera lady. No
What?
way. No,
Over there.
Ah! This is gonna be really difficult because all we have is 2 sandwiches and some all stock.
Wait, is that steak?
Yeah, it's steak Swiss.
Steak and Swiss?
Yeah.
Oh, save that for the kids. Come on, guys.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
No! Come back. I don't know what's behind me.
You're good. Just keep walking.
We're down. Let's keep going.
So all we got is one?
Yeah, we'll go back. It's
All
okay.
right, yeah. Come on, this way.
Let her get
Good girl.
Alright, let me give you. Nope. Alright, so I think for this one we're just gonna have to chase her because she's not gonna follow me. So just make sure that you know.
No.
Okay. Anthony. Hey.
Walk him over there. Good boy. Good boy. Guys, this is how you exercise your pigs. Get them right for bacon time.
So, I am outside sweating. We've been out here for like an hour now, and we only got 2 out of 8 pigs.
I got it.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Paul's pigs were moved like 6 times, all right? They had experience. These pigs were literally born in there. They've never moved. So this is pretty hard, but we're gonna get them. It might take all day. We have pigs in the bush.
I'm hiding in the bushes.
Four. We got one more. We got 2 left of the babies. We got all the adults in here, and then we're gonna give them some more water because they already muddied this one.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Sounds like a newborn baby. But yo, we got one more left after this one. Hey, you see how you're holding him right now? One day he's gonna be hung like that when we cook him, right? All right, guys, we got the last one. And now, it's payback.
No, what?
No, I'm kidding. Come here. All right, here's another reason why I love living in South Florida. We have a bunch of these. We're going to get us something because I'm kind of thirsty. So you twist it like this until it pops off. And then you grab it. I like to go from the bottom.
And you put your finger.
And then you hit it from like this. All right, you see this? That is a coconut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the trampoline. We're gonna dig in there and pop it open. Ready?
Wow, all over.
Who's next? Oh, that's so good. Hey, Jayla.
Yes?
What rhymes with fleece?
Peace.